He's a man who knows his way around a bow tie and the law at the same time.
Yes, he does. And we like to put a little Hollywood spin on the latest cases in Tinseltown. Tina standing by with lawyer Craig Ashton. Good morning.
It's Law-Lywood. Law-Lywood.
Law-Lywood.
Law-Lywood. All right. Hi, Craig. How you doing?
Good morning.
Good morning to you. So you picked a particular person, a celebrity, who got in a little trouble recently.
Yeah, so Tom Brady, I can kind of make a little bit of fun of him because we graduated from the same high school, Sarah High School.
Oh.
So he's kind of a menace to South Central Florida because he got traded. He signed with the Tampa Bay Buccaneers and for $50 million for 2 years, and he's got a 30,000 square foot compound with Derek Jeter. But he decides that he's going to go to a closed public park and work out. Well, guess what? That's in violation of the stay-at-home order because it's a closed public park. So he's lucky that the person that was enforcing the rule let him go, because ultimately, if they were a Miami Dolphins fan, they could have fined him $1,000 and put him in jail for 6 months. He misses the full football season.
Okay.
So then, what does Tom Brady do next? He decides that he's going to go to Byron Leftwich's house, and he's the offensive coordinator for the Tampa Bay Buccaneers. And it's basically before the preseason has started, so it's not legal to do that, and he walks into the wrong house.
Oh.
So now he's not social distancing. He thinks it's Brian or Leftwich's house, and the door's open because the guy's about ready to sell his house. And now he's trespassing. So the problem with him in Florida is stand your ground. So if somebody walks into your house and you are afraid of Tom Brady, you remember what happened with George Zimmerman and basically the shooting there was stand your ground with, what was his name? Trayvon Martin. And so ultimately, we had an issue there where Tom Brady could have been legally shot as a result of trespass. And then what happens next? It turns out he's violating NFL rules because you're not supposed to talk about football before the preseason starts. And so the rest of the teams are up in arms because he's violating. He's not being a good example for stay-at-home because he's going to parks that are closed. He's trespassing, and now he's trying to get information from the offensive coordinator of the Tampa Bay Buccaneers because he's not familiar with the system. So Tom Brady is basically the equivalent of Forrest Gump for COVID-19. He's just roaming around Florida, breaking the law left and right.
Okay. So does he think he's just special like that, or what? I mean, what is...
Well, he's got a history of this with Deflategate. Remember, basically he missed a few games as a result of altering the PSI on the footballs. Then his coach was digitally recording the Jets. So he's got a history of cheating. So Tom, we went to the same high school. You are the GOAT, greatest of all time. Kids look up to you. Follow the rules when it comes to social distancing. Follow the rules when it comes to stay at home. Don't go to parks that are closed. Don't trespass, and follow the ruls of the NFL, and the kids will be able to look up to you in a way that makes some sense.
Well, I can't wait to talk about more celebrities that get in trouble.
They're all over the place. They're getting let out of prison at this point because of the COVID-19.
Right.
Tekashi 6ix9ine is out. Michael Avenatti, he's basically being let out, awaiting sentencing because of what he did with Nike. So yeah, there's plenty of stuff to talk about for sure. And COVID-19 kind of focused our attention because we've got a lot of free time on our hands.
All right. Well, thank you so much. Good to see you. You take care of yourself. Be safe and stay healthy. Next time on Law-Lywood.
Thank you very much. You stay safe.
Gotta be honest, never thought we'd have a segment that mentioned Tom Brady, Tekashi 6ix9ine, and Michael Avenatti
all in the same?
Yeah.
Because it's Law-Lywood.
That's only right here. Only on Good Day.
I can't with her jazz hands. That is your friend.
No.
Yours.
No, yours. You do her first.